Hi friends, welcome to BOV Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you how to change battery on your Royal Enfield Classic 350 bullet bike. So I'm going with SF Sonic 14 amp battery, which is recommended for Royal Enfield because it's need more power. Uh, so see, you can see my bike is a little rusty because I've not been using this for over 3 months now, and also it's 10 years old, but engine is in perfect condition. The only thing I noticed is the battery is dead. So I did a little shopping around and I did R&D online, and I decided to go with SF Sonic because I'm getting this for a better price, and also they said that this is better than Excite or Emeron. So here you can see the battery, and it comes with screws to hook up your wires. So first you need to take the black color wire is a negative one and the red color is a positive one. So you can see the negative and positive signs on your battery. So you have to make sure that you hook up the right wire. So hook up the black one to the negative and the red one to the positive one. So just place it over there firmly, and when you're fixing your wires you can just move your battery a little bit out and just hook it up. So actually I'm just hooking up just to show you guys how to do it, but later on I will insulate it, or I'll take to the battery guy or to my mechanic guy and I'll insulate it, because you need to make sure that the wires are not short circuited, because if it is short circuit then there will be a problem. So make sure that they're all covered up. Actually it comes with the caps, you can close the caps, and so that's it. I have hooked up the black wire to the negative one, and now I am hooking up the red wire to the positive node. The polarities have to be carefully fixed, don't mix it up. Again I'm telling you, the black one is a negative and the red one is a positive one. Okay, so that's it. It will take a little time, be patient when you're fixing this. Actually if you take the if your bike is still working and if its battery is low, you can just go to the battery shop guy, they will fix it up. But why I'm showing you this is that if in case of emergencies or if there is no mechanic around, you can do it yourself. So I just try to do this. I am doing this actually because I had to hook up this battery to take this bike to the mechanic shed. But this is how you fix your battery. So after this you just firmly fix it, and then make sure that actually you'll get a to see, now the battery is working fine. Now I'll try to start the bike. You can see the lights are on, so it should be fine. That's it, the bike is on now. The engine just started with just one kick, and also I took it around for a test drive, everything was fine. So that's it friends. Now make sure that the battery cover is fixed firmly. That's it, you're all set to go. And make sure that the battery wires are covered, insulated, so that there won't be any short circuit. So that's it, this is how you do it. It's very simple. Hope you like our video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you friends, have a good day. Thank you again.